This is Pierce Gordon here. I'll be unboxing the Chromebook 5550 by Samsung. So let's get started. Oh man. Okay, so it's got a lot of crap in it, and here's the actual box. So it's pretty heavy. I don't know what that was all for, no idea. So cut that. Okay. Is there any like flaps? Yeah, bitch ass. I didn't say that. Okay, there we go. Open it. There we go. Like that. And here it is. Chromebook, Samsung Chromebook 5550. And here is the sexy beast itself. This fucking awesome. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the Samsung Chromebook 5550.